Hi, my name's Craig with Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things that you can start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people an easy, free plan of actual things that they can do themselves to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still putting their trust in me to help improve their business. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and tools that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan of things that I give you today and do them all yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing we're going to go over today is content quantity. So as we can see, we're at your website here, and I just simply took your URL and I plugged it into this tool that I use called SEO Quick, which you can get for free as well in the Google Store. And we can see that you have roughly 920 words. Now Google's actually released that you want to see at least 1,500 words to be optimized within their platform. So with you guys at 920, about 500 extra words could really go a long way. Now I know it doesn't seem like much, but simply just adding that content and improving the content that you already have will actually help you improve a few spots on Google's page. The reason being is that Google wants to ensure that their websites that they're pulling up to the top are actually informative and helping. So every month when people are searching for things, you're missing out on those potential clients by just not having simply more words about your website and what you provide. Now the second thing I'm going to talk about today is content quality. So it goes hand in hand with the quantity, and we can see that via keyword density. So a simple Google search, foundation repair Jacksonville. So these are ads, obviously, and people are paying to be up there, but ads are only semi-effective, and they can be a money pit if you're not actually bringing in solid work through it. So if we scroll down here, we can see this is the organic listing. Now your number one is this Ramjack right here. So let's see how they're doing. Now they have almost 4,400 words on their homepage, so they're blowing that 1,500 word out of the minimum. But that's not what I want to talk about anymore. I'm talking about the quality. So I typed in foundation repair Jacksonville, and we can see that they have foundation repair. They have Jacksonville anywhere? I'm not seeing Jacksonville, but they have foundation repair. They have foundation 97 times, and they have repair 47 times. Let's see what you have. You have foundation and repair 26 and 28. So as you can see, they have it more times, so Google pulled them towards the top. Now, when you increase that content quantity, that gives you the availability to increase that content quality via keywords. So the keyword density is a huge thing because, as we can see, it's important that you want to have the words that you want to be found for so that Google will pull you to the top and you'll be found by people looking for, in this case, foundation repair. Now the third thing is probably the most important thing, and that's going to be your off-site SEO via Backlink and link juice. Now, a backlink is simply one website pointing at another website. We call this thing that gives you your site authority link juice. And you can see when we searched for Foundation Repair Jacksonville that the number one site was this Ramjack. Now, this is where you want to be and how you want to beat your competition in every aspect. And this is the main aspect of how Google chooses who they're going to rank. Now what it is they look at link juice, and how it works simply is that site A would be pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. It's pretty much a popularity contest, but it's more than just the number of backlinks pointing at them. They've got to be quality backlinks, and they need to be coming from relevant sites, not like Pizza Hut, because you're not slinging pizzas. So as we can see here, you have 4 backlinks and 4 referring domains, and you're getting roughly 9 visits on your website a month. Now your number one competitor here has 60,000 backlinks, and they are doing roughly 15,000 visits a month, and that's driving in a lot of value. But this is the specific to this is their whole website. Let's just look into Jacksonville. They're still doing almost 200 visits a month, and they have almost 640 backlinks on that specific page. So as you can see, they're dominating the field, and this is the area that you're really going to need to beat them at. So in closing, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content, quantity, and how your front page needs to be at least 1,500 words. Secondly, we discussed the content quality and how you want to ensure that you're using words that you are going to be found for. Thirdly, and most importantly, we discussed link juice and backlinking and how you want to have the most relevant sites pointing at you to show Google that you are the authority. If you implement these strategies today, there's no doubt in my mind that you could be number one across Google. So what now? Well, you can take the information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. I can't wait to hear back from you. Have a great day.